In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a compelling business presentation in PowerPoint. Presenting information effectively is crucial in the business world, and Microsoft PowerPoint offers a suite of tools to enhance your content and delivery. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well on your way to creating a presentation that is not only professional but also engaging. Let's kick things off by opening PowerPoint on your computer. PowerPoint is a powerful tool available in Microsoft Office Suite, which is commonly used to create engaging presentations. Once you have PowerPoint up and running, you'll be greeted by the Start screen. From here, you can either open an existing presentation or start a new. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll start from scratch. Now, you'll find yourself on the Home tab, which is your launching pad for choosing a design. From here, you have a variety of themes at your fingertips, but for a business presentation, the Business Plan Presentation theme is an ideal choice. This theme offers a clean and professional aesthetic, which is key when you're trying to convey clear information and maintain your audience's attention. A consistent design with well thought out visuals can elevate your presentation to new heights. Selecting the theme will automatically apply a series of coordinated color palettes, fonts, and formatting options. This not only saves you a great deal of time, but also assures that your presentation looks cohesive. A crucial point to remember is that while the template does a lot of the heavy lifting, it's up to you to tailor it to suit the specifics of your content and style. When you're selecting a theme, consider your audience and the message you are trying to convey. Your choice should reflect the tone of your presentation, whether it's formal, creative, or somewhere in between. It's also a good time to brainstorm the key points you want to emphasize. As you begin populating your slides, think about how each piece of content supports your overall message. Effective business presentations often leverage a balance of text, images, and data. A good rule of thumb is to keep text concise and to the point. Supplement your text with visuals like charts, graphs, or images to illustrate more complex ideas. PowerPoint makes it simple to incorporate multimedia elements, but remember that these should complement your narrative, not overwhelm it. It's also worth noting that practice makes perfect. Run through your presentation several times, not only to become familiar with the flow, but also to test out the transitions and animations you've included. Imagine yourself in the shoes of your audience and adjust accordingly if something feels off or unclear. In summary, creating a business presentation in PowerPoint involves selecting an appropriate theme, focusing on concise messaging, and incorporating engaging visuals. With practice and attention to detail, your presentations can effectively communicate your ideas and leave a lasting impression. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your next presentation.